Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be creating this classic South Indian glam bridal makeup look on myself, and this is a makeup look using all Lakmé makeup products. So it's a full face of Lakmé bridal makeup look that you see right here on the screen. I will take you guys step by step in how I achieved this look. So if you want to know how I got this gorgeous bridal makeup look on myself, then please do continue watching. So first thing first, to prep my skin before the makeup application, I'm using the Lakmé Absolute Fresh Life Day Cream, which is a beautiful gel based moisturizer. So I'm kind of applying that on the main areas of my face and blending it out in my fingertips. It's a beautiful gel based moisturizer, feels super light and gets absorbed into the skin very beautifully, and also adds a subtle glow onto the skin, which looks absolutely pretty. Now to prep my lips, I'm going to take the Lakmé Lip Love Lip Balm in the cherry variant and put that all over the lips, because your lips also needs hydration and prepping for your lipstick application. So make sure you do that as well. Now I'm going to begin with the makeup. So first step is filling in my eyebrows. For that I'm going to take the Lakmé Micro Brow Definer in the shade Coffee, which is a beautiful warm brown color. So first I'm using the spoolie to comb through my eyebrows, and then I'm going to use the pencil to fill in any gaps in my eyebrows and also to define and shape them. This is a perfect eyebrow pencil for a natural as well as a thicker looking eyebrow. You can maneuver the kind of shape that you want with this pencil. Now I'm going to take the Lakmé Absolute Matte Real Concealer in the shade Toffee, which is a couple of shades lighter to my skin tone. I'm applying this concealer as a base for my eyeshadow work and blending it out using a concealer blending brush. This way your eyeshadows will pop more. For eyeshadow, I'm taking the Lakmé Absolute Infinity Eyeshadow Palette in the shade Coral Sunset, which is a beautiful warm tone palette with a hint of pop of colors. So first I took that matte orangey warm brown color on a blending brush and put that all over the crease and blending it out thoroughly, and this is going to act as a transition on the eyes. Next I'm going to pick up this beautiful cranberry matte eyeshadow on a tapered blending brush and put that precisely on the crease of my eyes and also at the outer corners to create a depth and dimension on the eyes. Next I'm going to take this beautiful shimmery rose gold eyeshadow on a flat brush and put that on the empty space of the eyelid that you see. This is a beautiful satin shimmer eyeshadow. It has a very beautiful subtle sheen to it. And to add a pop of shine on the center of the eyelids, I'm using a baby pink shimmer eyeshadow, and this way your eyes will pop more and have that focus right on the center of the eyelids. Now I'm going to take this Lakmé Absolute Kohl pencil in the shade Fearless Brown, which is a beautiful brown with a hint of burgundy, and it's a really rich and creamy eye pencil. So I'm going to use that as an eyeliner today on my upper lash line and smudge it out using a smudging brush. This is going to create a beautiful smoky liner effect on the eyelids, and I'm working one eye at a time here. Once that is done, I'm going to prep and prime my skin for makeup. I'm using the Lakmé Absolute Blur Perfect Primer on the main areas of my face, and then I'm going to blend it out using my fingertips. This is a nice brightening and blurring primer, and it also makes your makeup last longer. For foundation, I'm using the Lakmé Absolute Matte Real Mousse Foundation in the shade Almond Honey, which is a deeper shade of foundation, and put that all over the face and blend it out using my buffing brush. This is a beautiful soft matte finish kind of a foundation. It's a mousse formula, so it feels super airy and light on the skin, and it has about light to medium coverage. So I'm building the foundation for a medium coverage because this is a bridal makeup look and I'm literally applying it everywhere to make my base look super even. Next I'm going to take the same Matte Real Mousse Concealer in the shade Toffee and putting that on the areas where I usually conceal and highlight on my face and blend it out using a concealer blending brush again. This is a very similar formula to that of the foundation as well. It's a airy, moussey, whipped texture and feels super comfortable and light on the skin. I'm going to do a bit of cream contouring. For that I'm using the Lakmé 9 to 5 liquid concealer in the shade Cocoa and putting that on the areas where I contour my face and blending it out using a contour brush in upward strokes. This way your contour will last longer and look more natural on the skin. Once I'm happy with the blending, I'm going to add a beautiful highlighter. This is the Lakmé Absolute liquid highlighter in the shade Bronze, which is such a stunning color for dusky skin tones. So I'm taking that on the back of my hand on the highlighting brush and then put that on my face, on the tops of my face. For blusher, I'm using the Lakmé 9 to 5 weightless matte mousse liquid lip and cheek cream, and this is in the shade Crimson Silk. I'm putting that on the cheeks and blending it out using my buffing brush to tone it down and to make sure that the blush looks beautiful on the cheeks, because clearly I applied way too much because it is very pigmented. Now to set the entire face in place, I'm using the Lakmé Absolute Wet and Dry Compact Powder, and this is in the shade Almond Honey, and using that on the under eyes to set my concealer and a light layer of that on the rest of the face as well. You can use this wet or dry just like the product suggests. I'm using the same Lakmé Absolute brown Kajal pencil on the lower waterline as well as the lower lash line and smudging it out using the same smudging brush to mimic whatever I have done on my upper eyelids, and this way the eye makeup would look more complete. For mascara, I'm using the Lakmé Eyeconic Curling Mascara to my top and bottom eyelashes to add nice volume and definition to my eyelashes. This is a beautiful mascara which has a lot of volume as well as separation to your eyelashes. Moving on to the lips, first I'm going to take the Lakmé 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Bullet Lipstick, and this is in the shade Burgundy Passion, which is such a stunning muted sort of a burgundy maroonish color. So I'm putting that all over the lips. I'm not applying any lip liner whatsoever because this lipstick does it all. So this is the color and it looks stunning on dusky skin tones. Then I'm going to take the same Lakmé Lip and Cheek cream from the same 9 to 5 range in the shade Crimson Silk and put that on top of the previous color. This way my lipstick would look absolutely richer, and this particular red shade is such a classic bridal red color. It looks absolutely stunning on all skin tones and especially on dusky skin tones. It looks amazing. And here is my final finished classic South Indian bridal makeup look using a full face of Lakmé makeup products. I completely love the outcome of this makeup look. It's a beautiful makeup look to wear for your bridal events. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video, and all the products that I use and mention in today's video will be listed in the description box. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and also hit the bell notification to get notified each time I upload a new video on my channel. Follow me on my Instagram. I'll put the link in the description box. This is it. Take care of yourselves and I shall see you guys soon in my next one. Bye.